Looking to get something fun for the new year? Here are Octane's 10 classic cars to buy in 2018. As the market for 1980 and 1990 classics continues to thrive, it has directed our search for interesting classic cars to buy in 2018 further forward than ever before. Cast your net in slightly more modern waters, however, and there are some absolutely brilliant cars available. Not only fast and fun, but also eminently usable. So, before going to the next discussion, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Renault Sport Megane R26. French hot hatches usually become desirable at some point. And the ultra-hardcore R26R has long been one for collectors, costing little less now than it did new in 2008. Yet £5,000 will buy a fabulous R26. If you can live with the stickers, it comes with 227 bhp and a limited slip diff. And is it just us, or has Patrick Lecompte's styling finally come into its own? Glenn Waddington. Renault 5 Alpine Turbo. The Alpine Turbo has inevitably been overshadowed by a certain shouty, Group 4 derived relative, but it is not short of admirers in the Octane office. Easy to live with and offering friendly fun, it sold reasonably well in period, and many of the Alpines that survive have been cherished. Practically perfect examples are still available for under £15,000, for now. You'll likely have to venture across the channel to find them, but you'll be glad you did. Chris Bietsk. 8. Lotus Yulin Plus 2. Many consider the sleek Plus 2 to be a better looking car than the cutesy two-seater, too. Prices have risen, but the kit car stigma means they are still phenomenal value compared to other classics, and £15–20k should secure a sorted one. James Elliott. 7. Lexus IS 200. The original. And so far Japan's most credible stab at a BMW 3 Series rival, even down to the watch-like 2.0-liter straight 6. Look for manual transmission, avoid anything with a tow bar. Quirky interior features some of the coolest dash gauges yet invented. Land Rover Minerva. Prices for early Land Rovers have already gone bonkers, and with 2018 marking the 70th anniversary of the mark, they won't be getting any cheaper. But you can buy a Belgian-built Minerva Series 1 for half the price of its solely hull relation. Porsche 944. Surely they couldn't be £3,000 forever. Well, actually, even the earliest 1944s have started to move now, though they've some way to go to match the progress of the S2. 4. Buick Riviera. We're talking about the original 1963 to 1965 model, of course, hailed by no less an authority than Sergio Pininfarina as one of the most beautiful American cars ever built. Rover 75 V8/MGZT 260. The Rover is the classiest Q car, but top novelty variant is the codename X13 MGZT 260 V8 Estate. Lancia Aprilia. Even though you'd now struggle to get a nice Aprilia for under £30,000, it still seems like a pittance for a groundbreaking small car that epitomizes engineering excellence. BMW 3 Series E46. Ignore bottom feeders in the pound hundreds zone and seek out a low-mileage 6-cylinder. You've a choice of bodywork: 4-door saloon, touring, coupe or convertible, all eminently usable, with a great blend of analog feedback and digital equipment, and build quality that now seems old-fashioned in its solidity.